Hello. So today we're going to do a meal plan because, well, I gotta get back doing these and I should have fixed my chair before we started. Okay, now looking in the viewfinder here, we're going to ignore this. Okay, this is the vein of growing your hair out from short to longer again when you have curly hair. You can't, these things are a nightmare, okay? Anyway, I just keep seeing that and it drives me nuts. That's why I always have a baseball hat on, because it irritates me. But anyway, so we're going to do a meal plan. I gotta get back doing it. Why? Life is crazy and I just need to get back doing it. Just to kind of take this one thing off my plate. So that's what we're gonna do. You can see I have a meal plan paper here in front of me. I actually recently went on, I don't remember what the website's called, sorry, it's that new one. I'll try and remember to link it down below. But I got a whole bunch of different ones. Got this one, and then I got this one. This is just a cute little purple one. I liked it. And then my original one. Okay, I felt like using the sushi meal planner today. Why? Because tonight I'm doing takeout because I have quite a few things I'm doing. So we're having takeout tonight, but that's not going on this list because this is for next week. So starting tomorrow, Monday. So Monday. Okay, now just so everybody knows, I work Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. So those are the days I work. So those are the days where the easy meals are going to be. I've already decided Friday is takeout. Okay, takeout. That's nice and easy. Wednesday, I'm home, but I'm home, but I have a whole bunch of errands we're running that day. So we are doing chicken parm. So that's going to be our pasta night because we typically always have some type of spaghetti, just because, you know what, certain meals are just easy and everybody likes them. All right, now to figure this out. Okay, so I have my little list. You guys can see that right here. I have my little list beside me. Why? Because I just kind of sit down and I go, what do I feel like making this week? What do I have in my freezer? Which I still have to go through. Okay, but we're gonna do nachos. Let's do nachos on Tuesday. So we're gonna do nachos or tacos. Either one, I don't really care. Because I make tacos and then I have it on top of salad. Okay. I'm thinking Saturday we're gonna have the salmon because we have a lot of salmon. It needs to get used up. But I'm thinking I gotta make something. I don't know what I'm gonna make with the salmon yet. We're doing groceries tonight, so I'll figure something out while we're at the grocery store. Salmon. Okay, so you're taken care of. Okay, chicken stew, we're gonna do that. I've never made chicken stew before. I found a packet at the Dollar Tree and we're gonna try it. It's another crock pot thing, so we're gonna try that together. So that'll be Sunday, next Sunday. And so what do I got left? I have roast and pork chops. Both are simple to make, so we're going to do the roast. We're gonna do it Thursday. And roast, you gotta have potatoes. I don't know what I was gonna write. I still don't know what I'm writing. I'm writing pop. We're gonna have pop. I normally have that little thingy with me, but I don't have it. Okay. Just gonna write taters, carrots, probably gravy. Oh, maybe that's where I'll do the video on showing how how to turn your home canned chicken stock, beef stock, whatever stock, into gravy. People were very confused when I said that. That's okay. We'll do video. And so we've got pork chops. Pork chops tomorrow. So we got pork chops. We'll do rice. We'll do rice. I don't know if we're going to do rice. Maybe we'll do rice. And then of course some type of vegetable. I don't know what I have in my freezer. I gotta look. There we go. Done. I don't have to think about it for the rest of the week until next Sunday. Okay. Anything here you guys want to see how I make? Let me know down below. What are your meal plans for the week? And this is driving me nuts. Okay, there we go, it's gone. Okay. What are your meal plans for the week? What day do you guys do your meal plan? I try and do mine on Sunday just because I'm home. I find it's easier for me to do it on the days I'm home. So Saturday or Sunday. Okay. Hope everybody enjoyed, and I'll see you again next week for another meal plan, because we're going to get back into doing this. We're going to get back into doing meal planning. And hope everyone enjoys their work week or their week at home, work week, whatever it is your work, whatever your week is. All right. So I'll talk to everybody soon. Bye.